Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Needs, Wants, and Savings Budget template in Google Sheets, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident using it and start tracking your money like a pro. Before we jump in, let's do a quick setup. First, choose your start date and end date. Just double-click the cell and select your dates. I recommend using a 30 or 31-day range, basically one full month. Next, choose your preferred currency. You can select dollars, euros, pounds, or even add your own currency if it's not listed. Alright, now let's move to the main template. Step 1. Add your income. Start by listing all your income sources and enter the amounts. This could be your salary, side hustle income, freelance work, or even selling cute templates on Etsy, whatever brings money in. Once everything is entered, your total income will calculate automatically. Step 2. Plan your budget. We're going to divide your income into 3 groups: needs, wants, and savings. Under needs, add your essential expenses. Things like rent, utilities, groceries, insurance, the things you truly can't skip. Under wants, this is where the fun stuff goes. Eating out, shopping, subscriptions, coffee runs, little treats for yourself. As you enter your numbers, keep an eye on the remaining section. It updates automatically, so you can clearly see how much money you still have left to allocate. Then, under Savings, enter your savings goals, investments. At the top, you'll notice the charts updating automatically as you type. The cash flow summary gives you a quick snapshot of your planned budget versus what you actually spent, displayed in a clear bar chart view. And the income allocation summary shows the percentage split between needs, wants, and savings, so you can quickly see if your money is balanced the way you want. Now let's move to step 3, tracking your expenses. Whenever you have time, maybe at the end of the day or once a week, just enter the date, the amount, and the category. That's it. As soon as you log your expenses, the charts below update automatically. The daily spending chart shows how much you spend each day. It's really helpful for spotting patterns, especially on those "it was just one small purchase" days. And the top 10 expenses pie chart shows where most of your money is going. For example, in my case, it's usually rent. No surprises there. And that's it. Simple, clear, and easy to maintain. Now you're ready to take control of your budget and make your money work for you.